Hello, Safety John with AIM Transportation Solutions, bringing you another weekly safety bulletin. Dropping and hooking, fifth wheel coupling. Two terms with a single goal. Keep your trailer connected to your tractor. So let's talk about a few of those items. First, after connecting, slightly tug on your trailer. Second, make sure you visually confirm that your kingpin is secured. Third, no space should be visible between the trailer and the fifth wheel plate. And last, pull away slowly, just in case there's an issue. So driver managers, dispatchers, when talking to your drivers, let them know that properly coupling their trailer is a critical step in their workday. Bottom line, as the saying goes, a drop trailer never rises on its own.